you okay?
I'm okay, but he was hauling ass.
I know. I might have him on video on my
Really?
camera right here.
Please, I'm okay, but he
Yeah.
shouldn't be driving around.
Yeah.
He may be drunk or something.
Yeah, he was. I saw him coming up the street, and it was just like, holy shit!
He
He just
about 80,
yeah.
90 at least.
Yep.
I just passed the intersection. I looked back.
Yeah.
There was nobody for at least 100, 200 yards.
Yeah. No, I saw him. He took off.
Thanks for pulling over.
Oh, no worries. Do you want me to give you my phone number?
Please, yeah. I was getting ready to take him to dog training. I mean, this truck isn't worth a whole lot, but
I don't think it's bad. I don't think he hardly got you, to be honest with you.
I saw the front end of his car. It was, the hood had been moved back.
Yeah. It's 702.
Hold on.
I'm like, holy crap, and then he just takes off, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Like, yeah.
Well, I just want to make sure that he never drives again.
Yeah, for sure. You know,
could be a stolen vehicle, too.
I don't know if this caught it because it's sideways to me.
Right.
I'll check it at home.
Okay. Let me... that was crazy.
That was nuts.
I was getting ready to pull over, but I thought he was going to go.
No, I saw him.
And I was like, whoa, and he started to, and I came back.
Yeah.
But by that time,
yeah.
Because the lion,
yeah.
He obviously rear-ended me. So.
Yeah, for sure.
You know, the good thing, I didn't slam on my brakes. I
just
eased on them.
It's not bad, is it?
No, it doesn't. But his vehicle looked worse than mine.
I couldn't see the front of his.
Yeah, I saw the hood was moved up.
Yeah.
So he probably, of course, I have a truck, so that tailgate's probably a lot stronger. But man.
I know, it's